Hi everyone, my name is Karen Costa and I will be your instructor for PACE 111. And this is a video just to welcome you to our course and to introduce myself to you. I want to start by saying that this section is for our military student population. So first and foremost, I want to thank you for your service. I'll share with you that my father is a Vietnam veteran and I've spent many years working with our military student population at UMGC and beyond. So I'm really excited to get this chance to work with you and to help you move closer to your goals and your dreams. So again, thank you for your service. A little bit about me. I've been working in higher education since 2001, so for quite a long time, in a variety of capacities. One of those is in teaching college success courses, primarily online to an adult student population. So I love teaching these types of courses because I find that they can really be transformational in giving you the skills and strategies and resources that you need in order to move forward, again, towards your goals and dreams. That's what this is all about, getting you closer to those goals and dreams, and I get to be a part of that. I earned my bachelor's in sociology from Syracuse University in New York, my master's in higher education from UMass Amherst here in Massachusetts, where I live now, and I have a certificate of advanced graduate studies in educational leadership from Northeastern University. So I've been doing this work, as I said, for a long time, and I hope to share those skills and strategies and my expertise with you to help you to succeed. So first thing I want to say is, after you watch this video, start poking around the course. I tell students to do that, and I just want to remind you, you're not going to break anything. So I think sometimes students feel that they need to know exactly where to click in order to click there. Just start poking around and exploring the menus and click on different resources and see where that takes you. That's a great way to get acclimated to the course. After you do that, read the syllabus and read it carefully. Everything you need to know to succeed in this course is in that syllabus. That's sort of our contract together. So take some time to read that. After you finish reading the syllabus, you can get started in week 1. The last thing I want to say is that there's a lot of information that I could share with you about how to succeed in this course, but I think the most important thing is to remind you to ask for help when you need it and to ask me questions. So I really love questions because I love to help people. So when you ask me a question, it's not a burden. It's an opportunity for me to get to do what I love. So it's helping both of us, and it might also be helping another student in the class. So please do ask questions. If you ever feel stuck, even if you're not sure if I'm the right person to ask me anyway, and I will help to make sure that you get the answers that you need. So again, welcome to PACE 111, and I'm looking forward to working with you this term. Thanks for watching.